So hello everyone. Last time we have solved the LeetCode problem, which was medium level. So today we are going to solve the hard level problem. Problem number 968, binary tree cameras. So okay, so the problem statement is like you are given the root of a binary tree. We install cameras on the tree nodes where each camera at a node can monitor its parent, itself, and its immediate children. Return the minimum number of cameras needed to monitor all nodes of the tree. Okay, so this is the example 1 and example 2 is like this. Mm. Okay, I understood. Okay, so we'll I'll delete these comments. I like the clear code. So okay, we'll start writing it. First we'll write the class tree node constructor val equals to 0, left equals to null, comma, right equals to null. Then we'll have this dot val equals to val, then this dot left equals to left, then this dot right equals to right. I'll explain the code one by one. So this is currently we're writing the tree class tree. In the constructor, initially we are keeping the value 0 and left right we are keeping it null. Okay. Then actually basically this class represents the structure of each node in the binary tree. So each node has a value and the pointers to its left and right children. So then we'll move to the min camera cover function. Okay, so we'll keep it let count to 0. Then we'll define dfs node if not equals to node, then return 2. Basically null nodes are covered here. Then let left equals to dfs node dot left, let right equals to dfs node dot right. So after that we'll write one if condition over here. So if any of the children needs a camera, for that if left equals to 0, which is odd, with right equals to 0, then count plus plus, then return 1. This is the where we are placing the camera at this node. So after that another if condition we will write if any of the children has a camera. If left equals to 1, which is odd, with right equals to 1. And this also return 2. Then come out of the if condition, then return 0 if like both the children are covered but camera without camera, then we need a camera at this node, so we are returning 0 over here. Then again we'll write another if the root is not covered by a camera. For that, dfs root, which is equals to 0, count plus plus. Okay, return count. Okay, so what I'm here doing is in the main camera cover function, this is like the main function that calculates the minimum number of the cameras needed to monitor all nodes of the tree. So it takes the root node of the binary tree as an input, and in the dfs function, this is like a helper function used for depth first search traversal of the binary tree. So it's a recursively explore each node and determines whether it needs a camera or not. It returns three possible values: 0 if the nodes need a camera, 1 if the node has a camera, and 2 if the node is covered without a camera. So the logic inside the dfs function I'll explain you. So if the current node is null, it returns 2, indicating that it is covered. It recursively explores the left and right children of the current node and stores their status left and right. And if either the left or right child needs a camera, that is 0, it increments the count variable and returns 1, indicating that a camera is placed at the current node. And if either the left or right child has a camera, that is 1, it returns 2, indicating that the current node is covered. So if both the left and right children are covered without a camera, that is second, it returns 0, indicating that the current node needs a camera. So after the dfs traversal, if the root node still needs a camera, returns 0 from dfs. So it increments the count variable, and finally it returns the count, which represents the minimum number of the cameras needed to monitor all the nodes of the tree. So this solution actually ensures that each node is covered with the minimum number of cameras required, considering its children and parent node. So let's see whether it runs the properly or not. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Though runtime is 59 seconds. Let's see it will accept or not. Currently it is showing accepted. Yes, yes, yes. It is accepted now. Okay. Thank you everyone.